Coof, there's a chemistry bonding us. Have you ever asked yourself where the chlorine comes from that's used in swimming pools? Or why we can drink our drinking water? Or maybe you've wondered what the chemical substances are that make up paracetamol and kill our pain. In all of these everyday situations, chemistry and Coof are there, guaranteeing the quality and standard of living in our modern societies. The importance of Companhia União Fabril is not something new. Founded in 1865 by the Portuguese industrialist Alfredo da Silva, Coof contributed decisively to the development of Portugal. This was so true that the company's motto became, "What the country doesn't have, Coof creates." Currently, Coof is engaged in two areas of business: the chemical industry, divided into organic and inorganic chemicals, and nanomaterials. Our organic products include nitric acid, also known as aquafortis, which is used to make dyes, nylon, and fertilizers for agriculture, among other products. It is also used in the food industry to clean installations, increase the productivity of the soil, and improve the quality of the foods we eat. Nitrobenzene, made from nitric acid and benzene, is another of Coof's products. It is a water-insoluble oil with a bitter almond-like odor that was first made by the German scientist Eilhard Mitscherlich in 1834. Nitrobenzene, also known as mononitrobenzene, is used in the pharmaceutical industry to make the famous paracetamol. Nitrobenzene is one of the materials used to make aniline. Using a technology developed in the company, it is the basis for a large number of chemical products, such as polyurethanes, rubber additives, synthetic paints, herbicides, chemical reagents, sneakers soles, varnishes, textiles, pharmaceutical products, and dyes used in foods. Lastly, in the line of organic products, Coof makes sulfonilic acid, used in the production of optical brighteners and drugs. In the inorganic sector, Coof uses electrolysis to decompose sodium chloride, the salt we use on our food, making chlorine, sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen. Coof isolates and purifies chlorine in a gaseous state. It is cooled, filtered, dried, and compressed until it becomes a liquid, which facilitates its storage and transportation in containers or bottles. Chlorine is very common in nature, but it was only in 1774 that it was isolated for the first time by the Swedish chemist Carl Wilhelm Scheele. This chemical is widely used in the manufacture of polyurethanes and PVC, and in the textile and papermaking industries. But it is better known for its use in treating water for human consumption, for swimming pools, and for disinfecting wastewaters and cooling waters. It makes the water that reaches your home safe for consumption. Sodium hydroxide, called caustic soda or lye, is used in the making of polyurethanes, pulp for making paper, the production of aluminium, in the textile industry for treating fabrics, and in the food industry. Most factories use this chemical for treating industrial water and correcting pH. It is also widely used in making soaps, detergents, and in oil refining. Another substance produced by Coof is sodium hypochlorite, better known as bleach, which is nothing more than a highly diluted form of this substance. It was discovered in 1774 by the Swedish chemist Carl Wilhelm Scheele, and at that time, bleach was sold in powder form, a mixture of chlorine with lime water, which only later was substituted by the liquid variety used today. Coof uses the Hooker process, in which chlorine gas is passed through a diluted and cooled solution of sodium hydroxide to produce large quantities of sodium hypochlorite, which is then used in a variety of ways, in the manufacture of cleaning products, textile bleaching, disinfection of water for human consumption, and treating sewers. Most of the aniline and chlorine made by Coof is used to make polyurethanes used as insulation in the manufacture of refrigerators and building houses, increasing the thermal comfort and reducing the consumption of energy. They are also used in making mattresses, furniture, and automobiles. But Coof isn't just about making chemical products that are essential to our day-to-day lives. It also invests in the research and manufacture of innovative ceramic powders. Nanostructured zirconia is called the ceramic steel and is used in biomedical applications such as hip replacements and dental implants. Its nanostructure provides strength for structural applications and heat resistance for thermal barrier coatings. By controlling the nanostructure of these materials, CUF is able to optimize their physical and chemical characteristics, making it possible to optimize their properties to achieve the desired objectives. These ceramics have to work in extreme environments. They will resist high temperatures, have great strength, and they are almost as hard as diamonds. So what gives them this performance? The answer is a production process patented by Nano that is innovative and unique, mixing together raw materials in an emulsion of oil and water and then detonating them to create fine ceramic powders at high temperatures and pressures. These powders are pressed or coated for a wide range of applications in industry, transportation, and medicine. At CUF, the future happens every day, and we want to share it with you, because there's a chemistry bonding us.